y'all. So I have tried my hardest to record this video. Okay, it's been nothing but chaos, let me tell you that, with the lighting to the audio. Y'all can barely see me. This wig that I have on right here is Zelena from Sensationnel from the What Lace collection. Baby, the devil is busy today. This is the results. I absolutely love the color. The length is perfect. I feel like it's giving luxury. I feel like it's giving rich housewife. I feel like, yeah, I should be flued out. Okay, so this is the, dang, my voice is cracking. This is the outcome of the hair. I really like the wig. It has slight texture to it, but not a lot. It's more silky than anything. So this is the this is the card for the wig. So this is Zelena in the color flamboyage sand. Okay, synthetic wig. I purchased it from Hair So Fly's website. I will have it linked below. It's available on all wig websites as far as I know, and Amazon, but it was the cheapest in my opinion on Hair So Fly, and I usually get it in about 2 days. I think I paid no more than $40 for this wig. Again, Zelena Sensationnel What Lace collection, flamboyage sand. Okay, the parting space goes from about here and back to here. On the sides, the parting space is about this far back, so not far at all. Excuse me. So at the beginning of the video, and I might add some clips in, but at the beginning of the original 2-3 videos that I tried to record, I had on another What Lace wig, and I was kind of comparing the two. Also, y'all, my lace is not lacing, but I really don't need it to lace because I'm about to snatch this wig off. Like, I'm not wearing it anywhere. I'm in the house. I am in the house. But anyways, so what I use on my lace, since I have this out, I use this brush here. Let me see. This brush. And I use the Anastasia concealer palette. And I use the middle color. I use a darker color than my skin tone, just slightly darker. Or I'll use this dark color here from the MAC palettes. And what color is that? I think it's NW55. Yeah. So, where I put the brush? Oh. So that's how I went in and tinted my lace. Use that to color my lace. And then I use the Ebin spray. This is my, well, with my last wig. That was my first time really trying this hairspray. But it's really nice. It's actually really nice. But the cap on this wig is not as big head friendly as the other wig, which is a Donna. I already had a headache, but I'm starting to get that headache back because the wig just doesn't have much give to it. So if you do have a big head, just be aware. Or if you have thick hair, just be aware. So yeah. But in all, I really do like the wig. It doesn't have much shedding, not too much tangling. I love the color. Like this little money piece right here. Oh my gosh. I love that so much. See, now the lighting is pretty good because the sun is out. It was storming earlier. I should have waited, but no, I'm impatient. And this is how the lace looks pretty much. Like I said, I didn't do the best job with, laying the wig, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and brush through the hair for y'all so y'all can see it. So y'all can see it, honey. It's not really glued down right here. But yeah, I would definitely give this wig, like, I would say it's a, I would say an 8 out of 10. So I will give it an 8 out of 10 only because of the fact that the wig just is a little bit too snug for me, and I'm almost bald headed. So imagine if you have thick hair, what you have to do. Like, why is it so tight? Oh my goodness. But it has 2 combs on the front and a comb directly in the back, and it has the adjustable straps on both sides in the back as well. What else? Oh, there is a track that's kind of loose and sticking out right here that I discovered right there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a track right there, so that sucks. So 7 out of 10 because of that. But the color is beautiful. In a lot of the wigs from this collection, it comes in this color. And again, flamboyage sand. Okay, definitely the tone for like dark skinned women. I feel like this looks great on my skin tone. Yeah, that's all I really have to say about this wig. I like it. You should definitely get your hands on it. The curls are nice. The layers are really beautiful. It only really has layers right here in the front, but that's understood. Understood. It has some slight texture, not too much. And I love how the roots blend. I love that the roots aren't like black. They're like a dark brown. So it just blends seamlessly. Like whoever like is in charge of picking the colors for their wigs, they did a great job. Because this right here is... I am getting some hair coming out. So the way this wig was packaged, I threw everything on the floor. It was packaged really well. So around the front of the lace, it had like foam protecting it. In my last wig, it didn't come like that. In the back, it had it as well on all the combs. And this is the box it came in. And I didn't pluck this wig at all. So I didn't customize it. I basically just cut it. And when I cut it, I used like manicure scissors. So I used these right here. And I tried to go in a zigzag motion. But I didn't get it, you know, like I should have. But I did the best I could. I did go in. I actually started off with the middle part. So it is, you can put heat on it. It's made from the Futura fiber. It's 100% human fiber. It's 100% premium fiber, and it's heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. I have my hot comb on the level 5, and it's hot enough. So I had it initially parted in the middle. So let me show you how it looks in the middle. And the trick that I use, that I learned at cosmetology school, is to go up like this. And that's how you get your perfect middle part. Okay. And I did use my hot comb to smooth down. Yeah, there's that track again. The hair. So that I can have a middle part. Oh, and the wig did come with some baby hairs. I'm not a baby hair person. Yeah, there you go right there. Yeah, I'm not a baby hair person. So let's see. So this is how the wig looks parted down the middle. Yeah. I've been wearing my hair parted down the middle for a while, for like 4 weeks. So I kind of want to just wear a side part now. I've been in a side part mood for the past week or so. But this is how it looks. And here's the length. So it's not long, but I feel like it fits well with the color, girl. It's giving luxury. I really should have had on some makeup and had my nails done, but it's okay. It's okay. I really would love to have a little bit more volume and fullness. I really wish this wig came in a fuller texture like my last wig did, but I like it, honey. I like it. This color is everything. So yes, I do recommend this wig. Honestly, I recommend this color. So whatever wigs that you decide you want to get, because I did notice that majority of the wigs from this collection comes in this color. So if you are a chocolate girl like me, I definitely recommend this color wig for you for spring or summer, honey, or whenever you want to wear it, because it's so pretty. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. Such a beautiful color. I'm obsessed. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna stop talking so much. This is like my little review on this wig. I'll try to put in as much of the clips as possible that I had before, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know. It wasn't really working out for me. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. I'm gonna stop talking so much. My next week video, that color on that one is fire as well. So y'all need to stay tuned, honey, because that's a color that I've never really tried before. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm gonna see y'all later. Bye.